I'm Karen Cross. I'm the CEO and co-founder of MIMOSA Diagnostics. But I'm also a surgeon, scientist, surfer, single mom, and I'm a van enthusiast. MIMOSA Diagnostics is a Class 2 medical device that attaches to a cell phone or a smartphone, and we measure non-invasively skin injuries. It's the first handheld portable imaging device for skin injuries. Not only that, these images upload to a web portal for remote monitoring and viewing. What you might not know about skin injuries is that they happen every day in the healthcare system, and they happen from little babies as well as to our elderly population, so what we call cradle to grave. So things like peripheral vascular disease, so poor circulation in your legs, if you have diabetes, or a bed sore or pressure injury. They also happen in the ICU when we start to use some of these very fancy ventilators. So MIMOSA is actually FDA cleared for anything where tissue compromise or tissue injury needs to be measured. So we have broad indications and therefore broad utilization. The novel thing as well about this camera, if I could just tell you, is that most of these technologies, or a class of technology, is called optical technologies. Most technologies in this space are only good for Caucasian skin. We are best in class because we can measure melanin, and so it's good for all people. So it's not just for Caucasians, but for any skin tone. Not only that, because of our remote monitoring platform, we're able to monitor people in rural or remote places. So that being able to use that asynchronous telemedicine to triage patients earlier and get them the help they need in real time. Firstly, as a female CEO, definitely it's a different experience. But I was a plastic surgeon before I sort of started this, as well as a PhD in engineering. During that time, again, I'm older than I look. I broke down a lot of barriers for females in surgery, females in science and engineering, and now as a MedTech CEO, I'm very proud to say that 50% of my company are women. Also, we are a diverse company, and we believe in the vision and the vision of our team. So our team is a diverse team that believes and has the passion for solving this problem. So not only do we aim to create equity in the healthcare system with the device and with the platform technology, we also aim to change the medtech space by creating equity within our own company. So classically, again, coming from the surgical field, there's lots of papers that have been published to show that women don't make as much money as men. So we'll use this example. What we've done is something that we call open compensation, where we're able to bridge the gender pay gap, where women make the same salary as men. That's the first way that we've started it. So it's step one, but it is a mission and vision of our company to make that change, and I believe we can do it in medtech, which classically is a very male-dominated field. MIMOSA is a handheld medical imaging device. It's a Class 2 medical device that's FDA cleared. It's portable, it's magnetic, and it snaps onto the back of a cell phone. You literally load the app on the phone. It's a camera app. Again, we're looking at my hand. We're going to hold to start the capture. You put the little flower centrally. We look. If it's too far, the camera is going to tell you it's too far. If it's too close, it tells you it's too close. And you're just waiting for it to be in the good range to take that picture. The reason for this is we're sampling the lighting conditions and temperature in the room so we can give you a very accurate medical grade image. Normally, these types of cameras would be 14 feet tall and 200 pounds to give you the same quality of image. When we click in the image yourself, red is good, blue is bad. You can see that I'm well oxygenated, so I have good perfusion to my hand. Anything above 50% means that that tissue is viable. As well, we provide the thermal image, and again, although we're in California, I am a little cold, and you can see that in my fingers. And then finally, we provide a visual light image. The visual light image is not meant to be that digital photo, but meant to be a guideline for some of the artificial intelligence and machine learning we're doing with respect to reconstruction of these images within the web portal. We are really excited to be at LSI. We are a fully capitalized company and generating revenue, but looking for our next opportunity with investors for our next round of funding. Also looking for strategic partners in our space, which would be wound care and peripheral vascular disease, that can help us scale and accelerate our growth.